everyone. Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session. As this is our English class, in today's session, we will do one activity from our textbook. The name of the activity is Priya in the Village. Activity number 1. So let's see what that activity is. See children, this is an activity from our English textbook. I will read it for you. Listen carefully, look into your book and say with me, as you all have your English books with you now. So open it and go on page number 8. Page number 8, and 3 things you will do with me in today's session. First of all, you will listen carefully what I say. Then at the same time you will look into your book on page number 8 and you will say with me. Okay? So let's begin with the activity. As I said, the name of the activity is Priya in the Village. And there in your book, this activity is translated in your mother tongue. So you can read them and you can follow what you have to do. Let's begin with the activity. 3 things. I repeat again. Listen carefully. Look into your book and say with me. Hi, I'm Priya. So here is a small girl who says hi to you. You look at the Priya and listen it carefully what I say and repeat after me. Hi, I'm Priya. I live in a small village. Priya lives in a small village. She says, now we will read that. You listen it carefully and say with me. I live in a small village. There are many houses in our village. You can see in the picture so many houses are there. And see, these are village houses. Look at their roofs. Say with me, there are many houses in our village. The houses are close together. The houses are close together. Close together means they are so near to each other. The houses are close together. Next, there are small lanes between the houses. Though houses are close together, there are small lanes. There are gullies between the houses. There are small lanes between the houses. I'll read it again. You listen carefully and say with me. There are small lanes between the houses. You can see in the picture. I'll read the full sentence once again. There are small lanes between the houses. There are many plants and trees around the houses. You can see in the picture. In villages, there are so many trees and plants, and each house is separate from the other. So there are places for the trees and plants. So there are many plants and trees around the houses. We will read that sentence again. There are many plants and trees around the houses. You look into your book, look at this sentence and listen carefully what I say and say with me. There are many plants and trees around the houses. There are many plants and trees around the houses. Okay. Next picture. What Priya tells? Daji Kaka is our neighbor. In picture you can see one man. His name is Daji Kaka. So Daji Kaka is Priya's neighbor. Neighbor means who stays next door. Daji Kaka is our neighbor. He keeps cows and buffaloes. He keeps cows and buffaloes. In picture you can see there are cows and buffaloes. He keeps cows and buffaloes. Means he has cows and buffaloes. He milks them every day. You can see in the picture Daji Kaka is milking the cows. Daji Kaka has cows and buffaloes and he milks them every day. Daily he milks the cows and the buffaloes. We buy milk from him. So as Daji Kaka stays next to Priya, he is their neighbor, so they buy milk from him. Every day they get fresh milk from Daji Kaka's cows and buffaloes. You can see in picture Daji Kaka is giving the pot full of milk to Priya. We buy milk from him. It's nice and fresh and warm. As this is fresh milk, it is warm also. It's very nice and fresh and warm. So that's what Priya has introduced herself and about her village. So this is the first activity we have done. We have seen the picture. You people have looked into your book and you have repeated after me. Now there is one more very nice activity. We will do that activity. Activity number 2. So children, just now we have done the first activity. Now we will see the second activity. This is a picture from your textbook. Let's read the activity. Name the things you see in the picture. So this is the picture from our book. Now you have this in front of you. Now we have to name the things. So many things are there in this picture, isn't it? So we have to name them, but in English we have to name them. That is the condition, not in mother tongue. You have to name them in English, and I know you know the names of all those things. So let's do this activity. Let's name the things one by one. So the first, there are goats, we can see. Then there is a bullock cart. Then Daji Kaka's cow shed, and there is a cow and buffaloes. You have to just name them. No need of writing, but I'm showing you here the names. Okay, then what comes? Dog. A dog is sitting in front of the house. Dog. He guards the house. Then, as Priya said, there are many houses in her village. Houses. Then you can see a sweet little cat is sitting on the top of the roof. So, cat. Then we can see there is a grandmother. And who is there in front of grandmother? A hen. And there is one more thing. What it is? A cock. See, I have named some things, but rest of the things you will name them. Okay? There are still so many things, and you can see in the picture and you can circle them and you can name them in English. So there is a bicycle, a well from where people in the village fetch the water, and so many things are there. So in this way, you all will do this activity. Isn't it very easy and interesting? So children, in today's session we have learned about the Priya's village and what things are there in her village. That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.